Hard. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is write the statement of proportionality. Okay. Why are you over there? There's an R there. Proportion. Share. You start recording and you decide to move. Okay. All right, so listen, you got to make sure you're consistent with your statement of proportionality. You can't go big, small, and then small, big. If you swap the numbers, you're going to get the wrong answer. Okay, so they're telling you A is the pre-image and B is the image. Okay? All right, so they want us to go from A to B. So they say from A to B. So this is a pre-image, this is an image. Now, just by looking at it, see how this is the bigger one and B is the smaller one? Is that an enlargement or reduction? Reduction, perfect. So you know that this is going to be a reduction. And we'll figure out what the K is, okay, the scale factor. All right, so I'm going to go small over big. Small over big because I want image over pre-image. Okay, so I'm going to go x over 3, y over 6, z over 3, and 2 over 6. And so the statement of proportionality is simply all the ratios of all the sides of the shape. Whatever it is they're giving you. That's it. And you just keep order. Okay, now, which one is your scale factor? Pink, green, orange, or blue? Which is your scale factor? Blue. This is your scale factor. Why? Two numbers. Letter, number, letter, number, letter, number. That's an unknown. I need numbers. So my K is 2 over 6, but reduced, it is 1/3. So my K is 1/3, which proves the reduction. Yeah? Okay, now you have to find the value of X, Y, and Z. Now, for those of you where now it's making sense, you're like, oh, so this one is, the bigger one is 3 times as big as the smaller one. So you're like, oh, 3 divided by 3, X is 1, 6 divided by 3, that's 2, 3 divided by 3, that's 1. Yeah, you could do it very quickly. However, the way you properly solve it is by proportions and solving it through the cross product property. So to solve for X, and to solve for Y, and to solve for Z, you're going to set a proportion up. The other fraction is your scale factor. Now, it could either be the 2/6 or the 1/3. It's up to you. If you want to write 2 over 6 because you don't trust you're going to reduce it correctly, or you could use the reduced one, which is 1/3. It doesn't matter. It's your preference. And we're going to do plenty of these, so you guys will kind of decide for yourself. Okay? All right, so if now I do the cross product property, 3 times 2 is 6, and so 6 divided by 6 is 1. Yeah? Here, 6 times 1 is 6. I leave the 3, and so y is equal to 2. So I know if you do it properly, you kind of lose what it is you're doing because you're kind of stuck in that mathematical like cross product property. So definitely, look at the problem and see if that makes sense to you, what it is we're doing. And so that's what you get. But had you just looked at the problem, right, once you saw that, this is 2 and 6. So if you look at 2 and you look at 6, you're like, oh, hey, this would be, if I divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 gives me 2, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 3 divided by 3 is 1. You could do it quickly on a quiz or a test. You're welcome to solve mentally. The only problem is if you make an error, it's all or nothing credit. Okay. Yeah? Okay. I'm obviously going to do another one of these tomorrow, but I realize you guys have page 18, and then tomorrow when you guys come in, we'll do the back half of your test, and I'll just grab somebody's, and I'll just mark it up like side to side, side to side, angle, angle, and then the retest is next week, like Thursday.